Hello, in this video I'll show you how to connect ALSO IoT Platform with the Power Automate and therefore create an event in your Outlook calendar. It would be the best if you open Power Automate in the next tab so you can create your new flow. Okay, firstly go to ALSO IoT Platform, open your ground and then device with which you want to create that its asset creates an event. Basically it will be occupancy, because when it is 0 the meeting room is free. When it is either 1 or 2 it will be occupied. From that you can easily create a rule and prepare the rule engine with which you will connect to Power Automate. So I have meeting room A occupied. If you want to double check, occupancy is the asset meeting room A occupied. Then create rule, meeting room A occupied, sensor integer, and then comparison. You can of course choose whether it's greater than 0. You can also choose this one. This means also different than 0. I will trigger it every time when the condition is true. And then I will send the webhook. The URL I will get when I create a flow in the Power Automate body. Also you can write the occupancy. So let's see how to create a flow. You go to my flow, new flow, instant cloud flow. You can name it as you want. Outlook event. And then go to when the HTTP request is received. So what you can fastly do is that you create, sorry if we're going too fast, you can use the sample payload to generate schema, and with that you create a very simple occupancy asset in the JSON payload. You can put one, and Power Automate will do the rest of the job automatically, post method, and then the new step will be I'll write down Outlook event, create event version 4 so far. So you need to select the calendar in which you want to create an event. Basically here is the Outlook calendar, which is of your Office 365 account. I choose calendar, event subject, meeting room B or A booked. Subject, start time of the event. It's very simple. Power Automate contains dynamic expressions, which means you can use UTC now. This is the time zone where you're currently at, which you will pick on the 3rd. Let's see, I'm in Zagreb. So this is also okay. Let's do it like this. End time, you can define how long do you want to have a meeting event duration. So it can be in minutes, it can be in hours, but basically what I do here is I add minutes to the UTC now. So I added, let's say 30 minutes will be the default event in the UTC now from the start event, and I click OK, as it should be done, and click Save. Now your Power Automate flow is created, saved, and you got, when an HTTP request is received, you got a URL which you need to copy, go back to the webhook, and put in the body what you already put in the JSON body in Power Automate. That will be occupancy. And then you enter with the plus button. You can insert meeting room A occupied. I think it's this one. Yes. And create a rule. I already have the rule, so I don't need to do it. I will show you the created rule. It's turned off because I don't want to be overloaded, but create an event, and then you can see this in production. When I go to my flow, which I already created and show you how to do, this one Outlook event will not work because I have my own one. And here it is. You see the succeeded. That's the one which works. So you will see in HTTP request occupancy was 1, sent from ALSO IoT Platform, and the event would be start. The name will be meeting booked 17:17, and in exactly 30 minutes after that it should start. I also got the event created in my Outlook, and that would be it, folks. If you need any help, write down to support@allthingstalk.com. Cheers.